And here, guys, I like to show you how I solved problem of the burnt bulb. So I'm using this available on eBay board with LEDs for needle indicators, but it works pretty well. I don't need to add any additional resistors. So now I will use hot glue to fix it here and put cover, and it will work like that. Better than the original. See you soon. And here, guys, the final result. So as you may see, light installed perfectly, and it slides right in the middle, and it's very similar to the original bulb on the collar. Now let's install the tape and let's see how it will look like. Yeah, now I can see it. It's not so bright as you may see on the phone. It's a little bit dimmer, but bright enough to see everything. I hope this will help you. So now let's see how I fixed it. So I'm using the hot glue to make it a little bit angled, so it will light directly to this reflector, and that's how it is fixed.